What's up, guys? A little different video today. Obviously, I'm not on my Harley. I'm doing a little revisit to my first bike. This is my first bike, my 2011 Ninja. Whoop. And I still don't remember where the hand controls are. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about where I got my start. I know we've talked about this previously, but is there some sort of event today?
Yeah, this is the yearly World War II weekend.
Oh, that's right.
Here at the park, and our Sunday noon battle is just about due to start. It's okay, you know, you're more than welcome. You come in, go through, whatever. The main thing is I ask is please just keep a watchful eye of the other MPs. They may have to stop you for a moment because there may be a tank, a half track, or something coming through. We don't want nobody to get hurt.
I appreciate that.
But other than that, have a good day.
Awesome, thank you.
You bet.
So, I live really close to Jefferson Barracks. Jefferson Barracks is a large, at one point was a military outpost. And I totally forgot that it was World War II reenactment weekend. So basically they get a bunch of people together and they reenact World War II battle, and apparently it's about to start. So, I mean, you guys are probably going to hear some gunfire. Yesterday at my house, I was in my garage and I heard all kinds of small arms fire, machine guns, tanks, things like that. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about revisiting my first bike ever, and as you can see, it's in questionable shape at the moment. I'm actually in the process of rebuilding it because I did buy it wrecked. So I bought it wrecked because it was super cheap, and then I got my Harley, and I really like my Harley, but everybody wants to learn how to ride on my Ninja, so I'm putting it back together. I just put insurance back on it yesterday. Remember I was talking about how cheap insurance is on this thing? Yeah, so I have my Harley policy, and I just added this onto my Harley policy. With full coverage on the Ninja is an additional $51 per year. Not really something to complain about. Pretty cool. But so it's just strange to go back to what you began on. You know, my Harley has tons more power than this thing, and it rides totally different. I'm in a whole different stance. I'm very leaned forward. My feet are behind me. They're almost behind me and tucked in, so it's kind of like my legs are bent inward. I don't know, it's strange. And I feel, before I didn't notice it, but now I feel like maybe the steering's off a little bit, and I probably didn't notice it because it was my first bike, but I think I'm starting to notice that. But it's very nimble. Very cool little bike to play around on if you're looking at starting out. If you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, I would recommend this. You know, it's cool. It's just it's not comfortable for me anymore. That's about all the power you get out of this thing. And I know I don't have a speedometer going. The speedometer cable's missing. I can't find it anywhere from when I took the old busted fairings off. I can't find my damn speedometer cable. I kind of want to go check out this battle. They said it's about to start. Where's it going to happen at? I don't have my phone. But this is just a short little recap of how I got started, and maybe a good option for you guys. If you can find them cheap, these bikes are cool. They're reliable. It's never let me down. Never broke on me. It's always started. It's been sitting for a year, and I brought it out and started it up first crank. A little choke, but it is carbureted. 2011 model is carbureted. for something just to piddle around on, if you guys aren't serious about like taking long trips or something, I used to rock this thing around the city all the time. All the time. It's a great little, I like to call it my hood rat bike. It's a great little hood rat bike. And I'm actually test driving it because my wife's cousin's gonna come by and give it a shot, try to ride. She's never ridden before, and I told her, again, that's why I'm keeping the Ninja, it looks like, because everybody wants to ride. Everybody that wants to learn how to ride hits me up and they're like, hey man, can I take the Ninja out? Can you show me how to ride on your Ninja? Because it's forgiving. Look, wide open throttle, I increased my mile per hour maybe 4. I keep wanting to hit my starter button for my right turn because that's where the Harley is. Do-do-do-do. Give me a wave. Hey, thanks man. Respect for the Ninja, yay. So I don't have a speedometer, I don't have mirrors. I'm in the middle of the rebuild. My speedometer, my whole gauge cluster's falling off, but I just wanted to give you guys a short recap of how I got started and what I got started on. I think I'm gonna go home and grab my phone and run over there and see if I can't see a little bit of the battle. That'd be cool. Oh, there's a cop. The bike is pretty loud too for just being a 250. I got an aftermarket like Amazon muffler on it, and it's still pretty loud, surprisingly enough. So this bike has 7,500 miles on it, and it rides like it was brand new, even after the wreck. You know, I didn't wreck it, like I said, I bought it wrecked, but it rides pretty good. Doesn't get squirrely or anything. Make sure no cops following me. I wish I had mirrors. Wish I had mirrors and a speedometer. This bike would be perfect. This thing could probably go for a carb clean. It is kind of spitting and sputtering just a little bit. That kid, so happy. Oh, got a car behind me. Hey, dear. If I had to guess, I'm probably going too slow, but I really have no fucking clue. I got prior engagements, but I really want to see this World War II battle. Why's everybody staring at me? Fuck off. Ooh, you see, look at the tank, and we got Ninja guy. Oh, cool Jeeps. Oh man, I want one. Gentlemen? I want one. I want one. Guys, I want one. I'm gonna sell the Harley and get a World War II Jeep. Vlog in that. Did you watch that? World War II Jeep goes to, I don't know, strip club. So they're only fighting on that one little field, I guess. That's it. It sounded like a hellacious amount of gunfire last time. Yesterday. I do have a little bit of a rattle. But I think it's just, it's not like something falling off. It's just a normal rattle. Oh, you catch so many blows to the balls riding this thing. That's why I got the Harley. Too many blows to the nuts, man. I want to have more kids eventually. The fuck are you doing? God. That's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave it a like. If you hated it, thumb it down. If you feel like you want to hang around while I honk my horn, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.